Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to play the Halo theme on piano. To begin, locate middle C on your keyboard. The iconic main melody starts with the note G, followed by F sharp, then E, and finally D. Use your right hand for these initial 4 notes. Practice this sequence slowly and clearly, ensuring each note sounds distinct. This foundational pattern is crucial for building the rest of the song. Now, let's introduce your left hand for the bass line. It plays a simple, foundational accompaniment. Begin with a low G, which is 1 octave below middle C. Next, move to a low D, then a low E, and finally a low C. Each of these bass notes should be sustained for approximately 2 beats. This provides a rich harmonic foundation for the melody you just learned. Now, let's install the game. First, navigate to your device's security settings and enable the option to install unknown apps or unknown sources. This allows you to install applications outside of official app stores. Then, use a file manager to locate and install the downloaded APK file. After the APK is installed, move the OBB data file into the correct game data directory, typically Android/ob/com. Activision, Call of Duty, Warzone on your internal storage. To truly bring the Halo theme to life, vary your dynamics. Start playing softly, then gradually build the volume for a powerful, impactful sound. For effective learning, practice in short, focused sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Also, listen to the original song frequently to capture its emotional depth and rhythmic nuances. Consistent practice will lead to mastery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.